thing.
Yeah, that's I think more of the fuselage. It's a SpaceX rocket.
It's gonna go into orbit.
It's dropping off Starlink satellites.
The light's terrible on this because I got the solar light behind me.
Oh, and that one down there.
Elon?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hola.
Oh, I said Elon, not Eli Fool.
Call me.
And there she goes, back into the clouds. The chemtrails are the fuel trails. Still visible up in here.
That's weird though.
Beautiful.
The one part that was going down, I didn't see it come back down below that cloud.
Oh, wow. Must have just burnt out.
A better picture there. Man, I wish I had done that before.
Yeah, the other one was like, I could see it driving in Beaumont. Where did they launch it from? 'Cause